Today we are going to install pip. Wait a minute, what is pip? So let's see. Pip is a package management tool that comes to help you discover and explore more with Python by installing frameworks, different modules, and much more. In frameworks, we can take an example of Django for web development, and in modules, we can take many examples like PlaySound, Matplotlib, OpenCV, Tkinter, etc. So these are the modules. Now you may understand that what is pip. Now let's install it. Well, the current version which we are using is 3.10 of Python, and pip is automatically installed on those versions of Python that are above 3.4. But let's say that you notice that pip was not installed even as having version above 3.4. So of course you need to install Python again from python.org/downloads. You might get pip back. But in some cases, if pip is not installed, then you need to follow any one of two methods. It will definitely work and pip would be installed. The first method is by using ensure pip. It is a module which could be directly used in terminal to install pip. The second method is by downloading a file named get-pip.py and running it as a Python file to install pip in Python terminal. After that process, we would surely get the version when we will ask in command prompt. They both are the easiest way and both consumes an internet connection, so stay tuned to install pip. Let's start the first method by directly going to the terminal. Whether command prompt itself, PowerShell, or even Windows terminal you can use for installing pip. In this case, I am going to use here the command prompt. So let's start our operation. All you need to do is to type here py-m ensure pip -upgrade. This will of course install on one press enter. After operation, you can identify pip is installed on your computer. And as you can see here, it says requirement already satisfied, which means that pip is already installed on my system. You may get other type of output if pip is not installed then. In some cases, if it doesn't work, let's move to the second method to go out of the terminal. Open any browser installer on your computer. All you need to do is to go to the URL and type bootstrap.pipa.io/get-pip.py. On that page, you find a large code written in Python and see whole code by scrolling down. Then right click anywhere on the code and make sure that you don't have selected any piece of code by seeing. Then click save as and save that file anywhere you want. It will be downloaded as get-pip.py. Before opening that file, you need to make sure that Python is installed on your system. Now let's open that file. If it asks you about the application for running the file, so you need to click on Python 3.10 or whatever the version is installed on your computer. So it doesn't show you the code on Python ideally, it will be running on Python terminal, and that's how pip will be installed. For verifying, go back to the terminal and type pip-version. It will surely give you response on the next line, the pip and its version. If this method is also not successful in your opinion, so of course you need to reinstall Python. Pip will be automatically installed in it. Now do it yourself. I need your feedback. Hope you like it.